Hello guys, today we are in a cave. Okay, there's my face, not recording. Okay, so we are going to be reacting to Doorman. Okay, I need to upload this video first. Let's upload. Should it be made for kids? Probably. No! No! I didn't put a name to it. Okay, let's watch. Okay, let's watch some. You already know what we watched. I promise. I didn't promise we were watching. I didn't. Okay, ignore my searches like this, and I searched myself up. Mr. Reese. This is an old one. I don't know why it's still up there. Okay, where? Okay, what were we watching? Oh, yeah. Dhar. Today we are watching Dhar. Let's see some.
He said that ideally when the girl comes for the Philippines, that she'll do all that.
What in the world? What is that?
And then he'll be like a king.
Okay, so we are going to. What? Oh, I have a group. This is about one of. Heard one of them. What was I gonna watch? Okay. Fire one. Yes, I've heard this one. I heard that's really good.
So is this flamingo for Zora Bora or?
Okay, let's watch it. Okay, I need to.
Already though?
Why is my audio not on? Diamond.
Check out what I bought for our trip to Legoland. Yo, that's so cool. Wait, how did you even convince your mom to go? I thought you were grounded. I just told her I would have failed any tests this month. Oh, she doesn't know? Because I don't have any tests.
Okay, so this kid he said his mom gets to take him to Legoland if he passes all his tests, but he has no tests.
Such a genius.
He's such a genius. Okay, you are such a genius.
At first. Look, you scared of jeans. Dude, watch out. You almost pulled the fire alarm.
Boys.
So he didn't wash his hand before he dipped his finger in the cheese. That is disgusting, but I've done that before.
Hey, morning. What you got there, Mr. Wilson?
What, you mean this?
I think it'll be probably more.
This is a surprise.
It's probably pop quiz, I know it.
Not at all. You gotta be kidding me. It's gonna give us a pop quiz. Yeah, probably. I gotta find somewhere to get out of it. Come on, didn't you know that was easy? Yeah, didn't you do it? I missed out on that huge Minecraft tournament.
He has a Minecraft tournament.
I gotta get out of this test somehow. Here we go again. I can pretend I'm sick. You already did that like 5 times and it never works. True. Maybe I could pretend like
Maybe I could pretend I broke my leg. I'm pretty sure I've seen that Diamond video before. Who knows?
broke my leg by slipping in this hallway. Whoa! Look at you. Well, it's pretty hard to pretend that you broke up.
Everybody make some TikTok.
Okay, these are the.
I don't think it's going to work out.
I know. Why there's so many ads?
I don't know, Doc. People tell me
Jay, when you broke your arm, was it all hunky-dory? Yeah, dude, that won't work. Besides, they're still on cameras now, so it'll be obvious you fixed it. Good morning.
Hey, good morning.
So when do you think you'll have it work?
I'm having a problem with the server. They're not connecting.
The server?
By tomorrow.
Great.
What?
Thank you so much. Today's my lucky day. My dude, we have to tell you.
So the cameras are. So he thinks the cameras are not working, but they might start working. Who knows?
Every single time. Running away from problems just makes them worse.
Maybe.
Please, Derek. I've been running away from my problems since first grade. Look where it's gotten me.
So he's been running away from the problem since first grade. And he's probably in middle school right now. Well, there are no lockers, so maybe. I don't know.
Where? Yeah, suspended at least 5 times.
Spent 5 times, grounded every single summer.
I don't want to talk about that. But I'm still the coolest kid in school. Yeah, right. Alright, look, I'm running out of time, alright? Come on, Mikey. Face it. There's nothing you can do at this point. Don't underestimate me, alright? Look, I'll figure something out.
They do not turn these over just yet. Hey, Mikey, no snacks in class. Put that away, please. Hey,
He's still disgusting. Why?
use a cracker, not your finger.
Yeah.
All right, everybody, what I have for you here is going to just have to wait 1 second. Keep it down, please. I'll be right with you.
Hey, that kid one. Did you see that kid?
Some possible fire alarm. They had to evacuate.
He's getting an idea.
Last I heard, they haven't figured out.
I got it. That what? I'm ready for the fire alarm.
No. Don't do
It's
that.
terrible idea. You're gonna get caught on camera. You said the camera won't be working till tomorrow. Oh, it isn't. What's going on too far, Mikey?
This kid's always
I
is
pulled it with my shirt.
the bully.
That way there's no fingerprints. I'm pretty sure, Mikey, that pulling a fire alarm is an actual crime. There could be very serious consequences to that if I got caught.
Well, one time at my school, there was a kindergartner, first grade. I don't know what grade he's in. He pulled the fire alarm. Well, he's a kindergartner, first grade. I don't really know. So he might have not gotten arrested. He might have been put in a kid prison. I don't know. Well, I think that is a crime.
Which will never happen. Do I have to explain it to you?
Isn't he wiping the cheese on his shirt?
Plans never work. Jinx. I said it first. Of course they do.
Okay, Jinx.
I'll prove it. Mr. Wilson, can I use the bathroom real quick, please?
No! Please don't.
Thank you.
Mikey? Why would you have a key to your bathroom? Oh, maybe it's okay.
Hey, young man.
Nope, just go into the bathroom.
Well, you're going in the wrong direction.
In the wrong direction.
Yes, I know. I'm just getting something from my locker.
Okay, well, when you
Okay,
do
then,
go, be
so
very
they
careful
lock
on
it,
the
so he
floor.
probably is in middle school.
One of the toilets overflowed.
Don't do it. What? No, stop.
It's a waste of time. So, because I love him and then I need to trust him.
Everybody make some TikTok.
Dang it! Why the...
TikTok.
The same thing again.
Of course it's so mean. Nothing. I mean, if you're the person doing that voice.
I don't know, Doc.
But it will only be for walks and not talk.
He needs to learn to stay at home, spend time with his family. And maybe he needs to learn how to pick up his socks. When I moved to UK, I don't want to stop him going out. But I
That kid is a savage.
Everybody just remain calm. Remember what we practiced during the fire drill.
You're gonna scare the fire. Why do we have...
All the other students and teachers evacuated on the west side. Hopefully we'll get an update soon.
Well, aren't you glad I got us out of that pop quiz?
Same. Same.
Oh, and to add on, I also didn't get caught.
Not yet.
Yeah, not yet. We'll see about that.
I'm reading these kids' minds.
There you are. I was just inside looking for you. How long have you been out here?
Well, I've been here since we evacuated. You didn't notice?
No. Anyway, I just spoke with Principal Danvers. It sounds like we're going to be out here for a little while longer.
Dang it, I was looking forward to that pop quiz.
Pop quiz?
Mr. Wilson? Let's get to your final.
Yes, of course, Principal Danvers.
That lady's always the principal.
What are you talking about? The better question is, what rides are we going on when we get to Legoland? Maybe I was thinking about that, bro. There's more to life than just skipping tests and going to amusement parks. No, there isn't. Mikey, he's right. You can't just expect to always get away without being caught. As my dad always says, running away from problems just makes them worse. Well,
Say,
my dad says that the moon is made of cheese. What's your point? His point is to stop pulling more pranks, or else you won't be able to come to Legoland.
okay, so now I'm talking about what their dad says. Gosh.
Yeah, your mom might even take away your talent again. You know what? Instead of being grateful, you guys are making me feel bad for what I did.
All right, well, we're just waiting for the fire department to finish. Make sure that everybody's safe.
The fire department's here?
Yeah, they respond to every fire alarm.
Right.
Well,
This is Captain
There's an
Stoll.
ant on my
We'll be
computer.
asking everybody some questions today.
it's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So, looks like it was a false alarm.
I am not touching
It's not the first time this has happened today.
I don't want to get it guts on my finger.
Guys going right before the alarm went off.
Well, I had just handed everybody some paperwork. The teacher came in and told me
It's happened today, so I need to gather some more info. What were you and your class doing right before the alarm went off?
It died.
well, I had just handed everybody some paperwork. The teacher came in and told me about what happened at Chesterfield. And that's about all I can remember.
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Wilson.
Of course.
No, you let Mikey go to the bathroom.
Hey, you know what? I actually did give Mikey the key to the bathroom.
You did?
Yeah. Mikey, did you see anything?
No, actually,
Check the
you know, I
security
heard
cameras.
someone ring
Oh,
down
yeah,
the
they're
hall
not up yet.
before the fire alarm went off, but that's all I remember.
All right. Well, Captain Stoll, could you show us what you found so far?
Of course. Follow me.
To Mikey.
Me? Why?
Because you said you were the last one in the hall, right? So maybe you could provide some insight to us. Let's go.
Okay, none of that. I'll be right back.
The firelight is still going on.
Make some TikTok.
The fire thing is, the light is still going on, but no sound. And heard?
People tell me I should be paranoid, but I got
Is that a peacock man?
Yes, actually, I was able to get the camera started right when the fire alarm went off.
You were?
Yeah, I thought I was going to need more time, but I figured
Yes,
it out.
yes, yes. It was Mikey. It was Mikey. Dang it! He didn't get caught yet.
Looks like the camera started right after everyone started walking away.
I mean, phew. Luckily everyone's okay.
Mikey, think. What else was happening in the hallway when you were here?
Let me retrace my steps. So, I left Mr. Wilson's classroom, then I went to the bathroom,
Not yet. Mikey's explaining what was happening. He went to the bathroom.
That's odd. I was in here fixing the toilet when the alarm went off. I didn't see it.
well, that's because I ran into the girls.
You did what?
Well, you see, George told me that the toilets were overflowing, so I decided to use the girls' restroom.
That's true. I didn't tell him.
See?
But the key that you took was for the boys.
Why would you have a separate key for the boys' bathroom and the girls' bathroom?
Yes, I am.
I got the fingerprint key. Now we can see
He got
what
the
it
fingerprint,
really is.
but he used his shirt.
It's right here.
Thank you. Mikey, you were saying?
What? What was it?
Mikey, if you had a key to the boys' restroom, how did you get into the girls' restroom?
Well, see, there was a girl and she came out of the restroom, so I decided to
What?
inside.
That is not a true
I'm sorry,
story.
that was wrong.
Mikey, you
No, that all
gosh,
sounds a little odd.
dumb
Mikey,
liar.
if you are covering up for someone else, you, young man, are in big, big trouble.
I'm telling you everything I know, I swear.
First of all,
Yes.
we didn't find any prints, but we did notice something odd.
Every time I see that thing,
Come
you
over and
know
take a
what
look.
she is.
Of course.
It looks like cheese dip.
In that one picture, she had
He wiped the cheese from his finger onto his shirt. He pulled the fire alarm with his shirt. Then they got cheese on the fire alarm.
Do you hate everybody with the name Danica?
Okay, no.
Mikey, you were eating cheese in my classroom.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
See, look, my hands are clean.
That's because you just rubbed it all over your shirt. That explains why there isn't any prints. You used a shirt to pull the alarm. Oh, Mikey, how could you do that? Especially after all that we've been through.
Please just don't tell my mom. I didn't think all this was gonna happen. I just because I didn't want to do the pop quiz. And
Pop quiz?
Go to Legoland
The
with my
pop
friends.
quiz.
Pop quiz?
Yeah.
What?
No, Mikey, no, I just wanted to play a game with you all.
He just wanted to play
You
bingo.
mean I did all this for nothing?
Mikey, you're coming to my office right now.
No, please, I'm sorry.
Actually, I have to stop you there, Principal.
Thank you, officer. Thank you. You don't know how much I appreciate this.
Mikey's actually going to come with us.
He's getting arrested.
It's a serious crime. You didn't know that?
A crime?
Yes, it is. I'm going to take you downtown. Go. Sure.
No, 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 no. No, no, please.
Oh, don't worry about it. It's going to be all right.
No. No, Jamie, let me go.
It's 9:40 p.m.
What are you doing?
and I'm up watching Darman.
Under arrest for pulling the fire alarm.
Hey, no, listen. Mikey, Mom. I can't explain. I was in the neighborhood and I heard that the alarm went off.
Man, it seems like your son is the one who pulled it.
What? Mom, please don't take away my tablet. And don't grab me. I just want to go to Legoland with my friends.
That is what you're most worried about.
You should be worried about going to juvie.
I'll meet you at the station.
Yes, ma'am.
No, no. Please, no. I'm not going. Let me go. Let me go. No. Jay, Darren.
It's all.
All I can say is,
Wait, isn't that also a crime?
just makes them worse.
I think doing that is also a crime, like fighting a police officer when they're gonna arrest you. Dude,
I just printed off your exam.
that was.
Booyah!
No, I didn't mean to click
Make
this.
some TikTok.
Okay, that's all we have for today. Bye.
This is a big deal for me because I'm planning to tell my sister that I'm homosexual. I have never talked